Karibu mpenzi mtazamaji na uone mambo ambayo yamefanyika leo huko Olkalau.
DCP.
We also want to ask Moses Kuria, Betty Maina and Kiunjuri to start looking for ways to refund William Ruto his money. You've conned William Ruto, it's now time for you to refund.
Baada ya mvurugano kidogo ulko Olkalau, baada ya guns kutokea na kuanza kuwashambulia wanahabari, Bwana Cleophas Malala amewasihi wakazi wa Olkalau kwamba wajitokeze wote wakuje wachunge kura zao zinapoendelea kuhesabiwa.
We want to ask the people of Olkalau to remain calm as we head towards counting of votes and tallying. We are confident that we have won. There's no cause of alarm. And we just want to encourage our people not to stay at home. Everybody should now regroup at their polling center so that we count and guard our votes. We also want to ask Moses Kuria, Betty Maina and Kiunjuri to start looking for ways to refund William Ruto his money. You've conned William Ruto, it's now time for you to refund. You will not refund William Ruto's money by shedding the blood of the people of Kalau. We are confident we've put in enough mechanism to deal with your goons, to deal with your state machinery. We are certain that DCP is taking this seat and you will not interfere with anything. I know you have plans to interfere and disrupt at the tallying center, but we are going to ensure that peace prevails. We are not going to be intimidated. We are not going to fall into your trap of wanting to cause chaos at the tail end of a very peaceful election. So ningependa kuambia watu wa Olkalau, tafadhali mtoke kwa manyumba. Sasa tukuje tukutane, kila mtu achunge kura yake na kura itahesabiwa kama wananchi wanaona. So hatuendi popote, msiambiwe mwende kwa nyumba yoyote. Kama ni risasi mtatupiga, mbebe risasi wote. Bebe risasi ya kutosha. But what I'm certain, I'm standing next to the MP elect Olkalau. Yes. So watu watulie, pressure ikuwe chini. We are going to man this election tuhakikishe kwamba tumeshinda.
Asante.